We're hanging out at the Adventure Van Expo in Mount Hood, and this is going to be a roundup of some of the cool campers they have at the show. Our neighbors from Onyx Off-Road had two adventure rigs at the show. One of them was the Stealth Mode 4x4 belonging to Chris Cordes. This four-wheel drive Mercedes Sprinter 144 is fully converted by the Storyteller Overland team based out of Birmingham, Alabama. Chris has already made quite a few modifications to his camper van, including a front guard and aftermarket lights. Our favorite modifications are the Scheelman seats, which we also have in our truck. Kate and I love these seats and consider them to be one of our top camper modifications. The Storyteller Overland mode vans seat 4 people, 2 up front and 2 on the Groove Lounge convertible sofa bed. The Storyteller vans come equipped with air conditioning, microwave, portable induction stove top, and a 12 kilowatt M-Power energy storage system to run everything on board. Kate and I especially like the placement of the fridge, as you can easily access it from the outside, and the fold-down table makes it convenient to cook outdoors. The team from Touareg, based out of Golden, Colorado, had a mid-roof Transit at the show. Built on the 2020 all-wheel drive Transit platform with the gas EcoBoost engine, this particular camper was set up to seat 3 people and also includes aftermarket Scheelman seats. This third seat is secured to the smart floor, which makes it simple to remove or add more seats depending on the number of people going on the adventure. This camper has a modular galley option, which comes with a 15-gallon fresh water tank and a Dometic CFX fridge. It's all powered by 280 amp hours of AGM batteries. Under the platform bed is a garage area to store items such as a spare tire, mountain bikes, and other adventure gear. Our friends Matt and Stephanie of Dragonfly Tarps are also at the expo in their DIY camper van build. The base of this camper is a 2014 Ram ProMaster 3500 diesel with front-wheel drive. While their main business are custom tarps for campers of all shapes and sizes, we've been encouraging Matt to start a camper outfitter business out in Arco, Idaho, where they are based. This camper van has comfortable seating and sleeping for a family of 4. Matt manufactured the cabinets, storage system, and bed system himself. He's also the one who taught us how to weld aluminum and helped us build the backseat storage system for our truck camper. One of our favorite features of his van is the 4-person bed system that Matt created to allow their family of 4 to comfortably sleep in the van. Winnebago's Echo prototype was at the show. This small Class C camper is built on the Ford all-wheel drive Transit chassis with the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 gas engine. Unlike most of the drivable campers at the expo, this one had a television mounted in the front with seating for up to 4 people. According to Winnebago's website, the Echo has a 320 amp-hour lithium battery package with 455 watts of solar on the roof. There is a 50-gallon fresh water tank for the kitchen sink and wet bath, which comes with a cassette toilet. The rear bedroom has a twin bed sleeping arrangement that can also be turned into a larger bed. There are quite a few interior and exterior options for the Echo, including the Batwing awning on the driver's side. We stopped by the Storyteller Overland booth to check out the Super 73 electric bikes they brought to the show. And in true Southern hospitality, the team had quite the breakfast burrito and donut spread for attendees. After saying a quick hello to friends and mode owners camping on site, we checked out the Beast Mode 4x4 towing an off-road trailer. All of the Mode 4x4 vans are built on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis with a 5,000-pound towing capacity and a 500-pound max tongue weight. This particular trailer is manufactured by Rustic Mountain Overlanding, also based out of Birmingham, Alabama. Thor gave us a quick peek inside and explained the benefits of towing an off-road trailer. In this case, it's a great way to store extra show gear as the team travels to all the different Adventure Van Expos and Overland events. Kate grabbed a vegetarian breakfast burrito before moving on to check out more campers at the Adventure Van Expo. She didn't make it very far before getting distracted by the adorable pup at the Timberleaf camping trailers display. Based in Grand Junction, Colorado, the Timberleaf team brought 2 camping trailers to the expo. The classic Teardrop trailer had a starting dry weight at 1,500 pounds for the base package. Customers can choose from 3 suspension packages: standard, all-road, and off-road. This classic model had the rear galley kitchen with built-in sink, 2-burner cook stove, locking pull-out tray for the cooler fridge, and a 11 or 17.5 gallon onboard fresh water tank. According to their website, the current lead time for one of these Teardrop trailers is 16 to 17 months. With enough room to sleep 2, the bed is 54 inches wide and 75 inches long. This camping trailer had a 130-watt portable Overland solar panel plugged in to recharge the deep cell marine battery on board. Base price for this model is just over $23,000, and the trailer at the show was listed for just over $36,000. Super Pacific, based in Portland, Oregon, was also at the Adventure Van Expo with 3 of their lightweight wedge-style truck campers. The production camper, mounted on the Toyota Tundra, can sleep 2 up top and 1 or 2 in the truck bed depending on room. When the bed isn't in use, the mattress and platform can be lifted out of the way for more room. The base of the camper is aluminum, and the tent portion is a polyester textile with an acrylic finish. Base price for a Super Pacific on a mid-sized truck is just under $12,000. Mercedes-Benz of Wilsonville had a Metris getaway van with the pop top on display. The Metris is a rear-wheel drive van with a 2-liter turbocharged gas engine. The van has seating for 5 and sleeping for 4, with 2 in the pop top and 2 down below once the bench seat is converted into a second bed. The sticker price for this particular getaway van was right around $86,000. The Flare Space team brought a 2020 Sprinter 4-wheel drive on the 144 wheelbase chassis. This pop-up Sprinter van has the full Flare Space package and can comfortably sleep up to 4 people. The pop-top roof bed can sleep 2 people at night and double as a storage area during the day. The Flare Space custom-shaped memory foam mattress and queen-size bed system can sleep 2 more people. This van is for sale at just under $170,000. Having spent quite a bit of time testing and traveling around in various Storyteller Overland mode vans, we enjoyed checking out all of the aftermarket products that are now available for these vans. Jason from Canyon Adventure Vans, based in Chatsworth, California, had his classic mode 4x4 at the show. The GLSS converts the garage and sleeping area of the mode 4x4 van into an easy-to-organize storage area with 2 additional flip-up seats for hanging out. This would also make a great mobile office area. The rear step and handle makes it easier to get in and out of the van, so much so that Kate was able to do it with one hand and film. The bamboo countertop adds a nice personal touch to the van, and Jason even mounted a TV to the front of his Storyteller. These aftermarket modifications are another reason why we love to attend the Adventure Van Expos. Each rig is a little different, and there's always something new to see. The camping section had more rigs than we could count, and each one was unique. It was just as much fun roaming around the camping section as it was walking around the vendor area. This is our pop-up truck camper. The truck is a 2000 Ford F-350 Super Duty 4-wheel drive with the 7.3-liter Power Stroke diesel. The camper is the Hawk Flatbed by 4-Wheel PopUp Campers, based out of Woodland, California. Kate and I live out of this camper full time, and it has all the essentials we need, including a very comfortable cab over bed with a custom mattress from Mattress Insider. The camper is powered by 3 Battleborn lithium batteries for a total of 300 amp hours. These batteries are charged by 440 watts of solar and our truck's alternator. The batteries run our refrigerator, Instant Pot, electric water kettle, coffee grinder, my power tools, and more. While it's just the 2 of us, the camper can sleep 3 adults when the dinette is converted into a bed. Base price of the flatbed Hawk is $29,000. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and if you want to see more cool content, head on over to our website at we'retherussos.com, and we'll see you next time. Bye.